The nose detects dissolved chemicals in the air. The chemicals' sense of taste and smell are functionally similar and interrelated. The nose serves as the entrance to the respiratory tract and contains the olfactory organ. It also conditions the air by filtering, warming, and moistening it, and cleans itself of foreign debris extracted from inhalations. The nose contains mucus-coated receptors, which are specialized for receiving the sense of smell and are called olfactory receptors. These receptors are made up of olfactory epithelium that consists of three kinds of cells. The neurons of the olfactory epithelium extend from the outside environment directly into a pair of broad bean-sized organs called the olfactory bulb. The air enters the body through the nose. As it passes over the olfactory receptor, they give us the nature of smell. These receptors can easily detect different types of smells. The hair present in the passage traps foreign particles. The nose and tongue detect dissolved chemicals. The chemicals' sense of taste and smell are functionally similar and interrelated. The tongue is a muscular organ. The front part of the tongue is very flexible and can move around a lot, working with the teeth to create different types of words. The tongue detects dissolved chemicals in food. The chemicals' sense of taste and smell are functionally similar and interrelated. The tongue is anchored inside the buccal cavity by webs of tough tissue and mucosa. The part holding the front of the tongue is called the frenum. The tongue detects tastes through taste buds containing gustatory receptors. There are 4 types of papilla found in the tongue. In these papillae, the taste buds are located: circumvallate papillae, fungiform papillae, foliate papilla, filiform papillae. The 5 types of taste can be detected by those taste buds: salt, sweet, sour, bitter, umami. The tongue also performs functions like licking, breathing, tasting, and swallowing. The air enters the body through the nose. As it passes over the olfactory receptors, they give us the nature of smell. These receptors can easily detect different types of smells. The hair present in the passage traps foreign particles. The different types of papillae detect the taste of the food. The tongue's movement helps the mixing of saliva and converts the morsel of food into a soft bolus. The largest sensory organ of the body is the skin. Its primary function is to protect us from microbes and other various elements which can harm us. It acts as a barrier against all the harm in the atmosphere and keeps the inner parts safe. It helps in detection of the environmental conditions. Further, it also prevents loss of moisture. The skin is composed of 3 layers. The epidermis, the outermost layer of skin. It acts as a waterproof barrier, and this layer is responsible for the skin tone. Melanocytes present in this layer are responsible for skin color. Melanocytes produce melanin pigment, and more concentration of it creates a dark skin tone. The dermis, it is present just below the epidermis and contains connective tissue, hair follicles, sweat, and sebaceous gland. The hypodermis or the deeper subcutaneous tissue made up of fat and connective tissue. There are so many receptors present in it, like temperature, pressure, pain, etc. The thermoreceptor senses the temperature of the environment to regulate the internal body temperature. The mechanoreceptor is responsible for the sensation of touch. The nociceptor is responsible for the sensation of pain. The other sensory organs include the vestibular system. It is a complex system, also called the vestibular apparatus, responsible for maintaining body balance. It is located above the cochlea. 3 semicircular canals and the otolith are there found in the vestibular apparatus.